Yeah. Hi guys. It's me, Firefish Face Dude, and then I went to KFC at 3 a.m. but it's really dark, so I brought myself a flashlight. Let me get my flashlight out. Alright. About to go to KFC. It's KFC at 3 a.m. Ah, they're still open. That's the good thing about convenience stores. Oh yeah, it's this place is like haunted because I heard on the news someone died out here, and then it's haunted, but KFC is still running. Hello? Is there anyone here? It says order. Let's go check inside. Oh! Power went off! Oh shoot, this is bad. Let's see if I can steal some food. Okay. Oh, wait. Food here, it says food there, but we're gonna have to break it. So, we're gonna have to break this dynamite. And then, let's see if